Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pause workflows in GoHighLevel. This is incredibly useful when you need to temporarily stop automations during specific periods, like holidays or maintenance windows, without having to delete or rebuild your entire workflow. First, head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the main login URL for your workspace, as this ensures you're starting from the right place before diving into your workflows. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access your dashboard. In the main navigation, locate and click on Dashboard if it isn't already your default landing screen. It's important to verify you're in the correct sub-account where the workflows you want to pause actually live, as this places you in the environment that houses all your automations. Next, you'll need to open the Workflows area, look to the left-hand menu, and click on Automation. This will open up a complete list of all your workflows that you can manage and modify. From here, locate the specific workflow you want to pause. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, especially if you're managing multiple automations. Now comes the actual pause process. Look at the top menu and click on Global Workflow Settings. This opens up the control panel for your workflow's behavior. Once you're in the Global Workflow Settings, scroll down until you locate a control labeled Pause Workflow. This is the toggle that stops the workflow from running during your specified period. If you're working with multiple workflows and need to pause several at once, use the Bulk Actions area to apply the pause across all selected items at the same time. Next, you'll need to set the pause date range. Look for a date range field, often labeled Start Date and End Date. Enter the specific dates during which you want the workflow paused. Depending on your version of GoHighLevel, you may need to specify a single date range or select multiple ranges, so just follow the on-screen prompts accordingly. Once you've entered your dates, select the workflow you want to pause from the list and click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your workflow is now paused for the dates you specified and will automatically resume once that period ends. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.